There's a wonderful story that I heard on CBC Radio. It's a wonderful program, Ideas. She's the President of Princeton University. And she comes to be President of Princeton University out of a spectacular career as a science researcher. So she ran a huge lab with many graduate students working for her and became a world eminent researcher. And so here she is as a mother and a scientist, as a very well recognized, highly published, world-class scientist who's now president of one of the major schools in the world, universities in the world. How does she do it? The question asked her, how do you balance all this? You must, when you're in the lab, feel like you should be at home with your kids. When you're with kids, you must feel like you should be in the lab. When you're being president, you must feel like you should be in one of these other two places. How do you do this? She said, I let go of all that stuff. Don't worry about it. When I'm in the lab, I should be in the lab. When I'm being a mother, I should be a mother. It was just a beautiful answer to that question. She did not carry the guilt, and by not carrying the guilt, she had the freedom to make an incredibly successful career and be an incredibly wonderful mother. So that comes from a grounding, a sense of knowing who I am. When you know who I am is, then there's something magical that happens that automatically takes care of that stuff. You don't have to carry around the struggle to find the balance, which you can never find anyway.